Laundry equipment is used. Laundering with a washing machine. Check the conditions of the electrical plugs and wires. Prepare the laundry item and wear a protective equipment. Load the laundry items in the washing machine. Ensure the weight does not exceed the capacity of your washing machine. Add washing detergents following recommended quantity for specific load size. Turn on the washing machine. Select the appropriate settings for water level, washing time, rinsing and spinning cycle. When the buzzer sounds, remove the laundry items immediately. Remove the clothes and put them in the laundry basket. Turn off the washing machine. Proceed drying the laundry items. Load the laundered items in the dryer. Select the appropriate drying temperature. When the dryer completed the cycle, remove the items.